The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean, or if the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Now I can remove the old spark plug. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I do, I need to check the gap between the electrodes. The gap needs to be set to a specific distance, in this case 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a spark plug gapping tool to measure the gap. I place the tool between the electrodes, and the tool will tell me the size of the gap. In this case, it's about 35 thousandths, so I need to reduce the gap. And that looks good. With the spark plug properly gapped, now I can reinstall it into the engine. And I'll secure it with the socket wrench. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the spark plug cap onto the spark plug. And that's how easy it is to replace the spark plug in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.